KTN News, Nairobi.
Now, Kenya has committed to strengthen bilateral relations with South Sudan for the mutual benefit of the citizens of the two nations. President William Ruto hosted his South Sudan counterpart Salva Kiir at State House, Nairobi, with the two countries pursuing joint infrastructure projects to enhance regional integration and boost trade. KTN's Daniel Kariuki reports.
South Sudan President Salva Kiir landed in the country Saturday for bilateral talks with his Kenyan counterpart, President William Ruto. The bilateral talks meant to enhance business trade between the two countries. The two nations are keen on implementing the infrastructural projects under the Lamu Port South Sudan-Ethiopia Transport Corridor Project, LAPSET, which will enhance connectivity.
Also keen on the Kenya-South Sudan international boundary and the delineation of that boundary at an appropriate moment when our two teams can undertake that exercise.
We recalled South Sudan and Kenya time-honored and strong bilateral relations and emphasized the need to coordinate our positions on regional and global issues.
The two leaders signed a memorandum of understanding for the establishment of a fiber optic cable along the Eldoret-Juba Road.
And you and me are here, Mr. President. We can actually do the signing here and conclude it because I think all the items have been agreed. Again, if the two teams can agree, we can witness that agreement.
President Ruto and I agreed to continue working on them for the benefit of our region.
Kenya and South Sudan have also agreed to exploit the Africa Continental Free Trade Area Agreement to increase trade between the two nations. Matters climate change were also discussed.
The conference has been organized properly with input from across the continent. It is the first time that Africa is going to consolidate our position, our ideas, and our suggestions and proposals on how we think climate change is affecting us and what are the possible solutions going into the future.
Kenya and South Sudan have committed to hasten the implementation of the agreements to unlock the economic and social benefits of increased trade.